Welcome to the 2019 Emerging Technology Awards, presented by Mechanical Engineering, the magazine of ASME, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Robotics. Some emergency situations are too hazardous to send in a human first responder. That's why Shark Robotics built the Colossus, the first in a line of robots designed to assist police, firefighters, and soldiers handle dangerous situations. Colossus can be fitted to a hose and sent into a burning building, where it can operate autonomously for up to 10 hours at temperatures as high as 900 degrees. The robot made headlines earlier this year when it was sent into Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris to relieve the fire brigade fighting the blaze inside the famous Paris landmark. Energy. Electric cars and buses are clean and efficient, but recharging them means hooking the vehicle up to a power cord for an hour or more. Momentum Dynamics has created an innovative inductive charging system that can deliver as much as 300 kilowatts of power to a vehicle, all without connecting a wire. In Indianapolis and Chattanooga, buses stop over a wireless charging pad embedded in the roadway during scheduled 10-minute breaks and top off their batteries. The company is now building a charging system for taxicabs in Norway and hopes to develop a system for home use in the near future. Pressure technology. Most pressure vessels today are built to be strong on the outside and hollow in the middle, which limits them to round or cylindrical shapes. But lattice technology has developed a pressure vessel that can be virtually any shape. The secret is on the inside, a web of beams that form a lattice that help carry the pressure. That lattice provides structural redundancy, meaning that if one internal member fails, the forces will be redistributed. Earlier this year, the first ship using a lattice pressure vessel tank was delivered to a port in South Korea, and future applications could include use in land vehicles. Manufacturing. Manufacturers who work with plastic have long wanted injection molds that include cooling channels that conform to the shape of a molded part. Such channels would be more efficient at removing heat from the material, allowing for faster and more efficient production. Toolcraft has used 3D printing to create molds with complex channels that reduce the amount of mass that needs to be heated and cooled each injection cycle. Their molds cost the same as conventional models, but allow for a 30% faster production. Recently, one of Toolcraft's molds was used to make flash covers for Leica cameras. Bioengineering. Before surgeons begin an operation, they want as much detail as they can get about the area of the patient where they will work. 3D Systems has opened a service that can print anatomical models from digital imaging files, such as CT or MRI scans. The surgeon sends the files, and engineers at the service design the model, 3D print it, and ship it back for use in pre-surgical planning and rehearsal. Some models can even be brought into the operating theater to help guide surgeons as they work on the patient.